Have you ever wondered why oil and water just don't get along? No matter how much you stir, shake, or mix them together, they always end up separating. It's one of those cool science mysteries hiding in plain sight. And today, we're diving deep to uncover the hidden science behind oil and water. To understand why these two liquids don't mix, we need to go down to the molecular level. You see, water is what we call a polar molecule. Think of it like a tiny magnet with a positive end and a negative end. This allows water molecules to bond tightly with each other. But oil, on the other hand, is a non-polar molecule. That means it doesn't have the positive and negative ends like water does. Instead, its molecules are more relaxed, and they don't form those tight bonds like water. This is where the tension begins. So when oil and water meet, it's like two strangers at a party with nothing in common. Water molecules want to stick together, leaving the oil molecules out in the cold. This is why they naturally separate. Water is denser, so it sinks, and the oil floats on top. Here's something cool. Ever wondered how detergents and soaps work to clean greasy dishes? They have special molecules called surfactants. These molecules have two ends. One loves water and the other loves oil. It's like the ultimate peacemaker. They grab onto both the oil and water, allowing them to mix and wash away grease. This is also the secret behind emulsions mixtures where oil and water combine. Emulsifiers help suspend tiny droplets of oil in water, creating things like mayonnaise, milk, and salad dressings. Without emulsifiers, these everyday items would separate, just like our oil and water. You can even try this at home. Get a bottle, pour in some water, add oil, and give it a shake. Notice how they separate? Now add a few drops of dish soap and shake it again. You'll see the two liquids combine into a cloudy mixture. That's the power of surfactants in action. This simple principle also plays a big role in nature and technology. Think of oil spills in the ocean. Cleaning them up is a challenge because oil naturally separates from water. Scientists are constantly working on innovative solutions to help these two substances come together when we need them to. So next time you see oil and water separate, remember, it's more than just a kitchen experiment. It's a fascinating dance of chemistry happening right before your eyes. The hidden science is always there, waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed learning about the secret science behind oil and water, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what other science mysteries you want to explore. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting.